Hi, welcome to my report presentation. This is FIT5145. So my report topic is technology behind online dating websites. So first of all, the business model. Online dating websites have become the most popular methods for people seeking their partners. One of the attractions that such a site has is the perfect matching function. We will examine the technology behind online dating websites and taking two sites as examples, Match.com and eHarmony. In terms of the business value, there will be mainly three parties. First is for users. So users can know how the giant dating company works. Then they would be aware of some necessary industry standards, which would provide more efficient guidance when they chose their own preference dating websites. And for potential investors, they can have an initial understanding of the outlined technology utilized in the online dating company. As for online dating startups, they can have an initial impression of how the leading company works in this industry. For example, their working norms, the technology they're using, and the achievement they're making. As for the data characteristics, first is the data volume. So Match.com can have 4 terabytes of data storing some 20 billion registered users in the system. Every one of the users has filled around 450 questions. And eHarmony can generate 3.5 million matchings each day. And then goes to the data processing. So we're going to take eHarmony for example. After gather answers from users, the system will then scoring, compiling, and calculating the data, and then matching up potential candidates from the database. And after making recommendations for users, their following movement and related results will be recorded by the back-ended system and finally calculated the next time's recommendations. And then goes to the data resources. There will be mainly 3 resources mentioned in my presentation. So first is the questionnaires. The website requires many questions from users, ranging from interests, religious, to living habits. And then the system will tailor each user's preferences and recommendations based on the questionnaires. And then goes to the social media. In order to attract new users, Match.com will need to expand the user base. They select the specific websites or social media which their potential target customers will visit. Then they release the advertisement to attract new audiences. And for personal accounts, most of the website will have pop-up windows asking for users to permit or asking users for permission to access their accounts, which will review much personal information about users, such as what shows they're watching and what social media platform do they mostly use, even online shopping history. And finally goes to the data analysis. So the most common method for online dating website is collaborative filtering. And many big tech companies have adopted such method, for example, Netflix and Amazon. So firstly, the system will analyze the users who you send messages to. The algorithm will discover other users who possess the same tastes, and then they will recommend those users to you. So quite like Netflix, huh? But the thing is, the movie doesn't need to like you back. This is my presentation. Thank you.